welcome to my another video on this cryptocurrency series. So in this video we will start making our own cryptocurrency. So before making our cryptocurrency, there are certain set of rules and regulation that we have to follow according to Ethereum, so that Ethereum can consider our cryptocurrency as a valid cryptocurrency, so that we can launch our ICO in a successful manner. So there are certain set of rules, like how transaction can be done, and how the tokens can be transferred, or how we can receive the tokens, and some features like this. So let us get started with the features. So first of all, there is a function that we have to write in our code before when we will be writing our cryptocurrency. Then we have to specify this in our code, because if we will not specify these feature in cryptocurrency, then Ethereum will mark our cryptocurrency as invalid. So first of all, there is a function of name. So leave the syntax. We will code our cryptocurrency in solidity language. So don't take worry, solidity is very much similar to JavaScript and C++, so it's not an issue, very easy language. And even you can code your cryptocurrency in about 100. So we have to keep a function called name that will return string. So if we are deploying dev token to Ethereum blockchain, then the name must return dev token when we call it. Then there is a function called symbol. So we have to write symbol. So when we will call symbol, then it must return the short form of our cryptocurrency. So there are two things, like let us take an example. There is one thing, dev token, then the short form of dev token is DEV, and DEV will represent our token, our cryptocurrency. So then there is a function called decimals. So decimal is like let us take an example, like $1 equivalent 75 rupees in Indian currency. So similarly, 1 Ethereum equal to 1 into 10 to power 18. So this is like a rule that is set by Ethereum, like 10 to power 18 must be considered. So we will build our cryptocurrency by keeping the decimal 18. So if we will send one crypto to it, then we have to apply 18 after the 1, so that 1 will be received by another person. Okay. So there are various functions. So we will write this function step by step, and we will keep looking into. I will share this link in the description.